guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. How's it going? How's everyone's week? If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And let's get right into today's video. Today I'm going to be trying out the personalized shopping service Stitch Fix. And I'm super excited to see what I have in this box. I will jump to a clip of me doing my little survey, personalized style information that they have you take before they send anything to you. And I have always been super curious about this service since watching Safiya Nygaard's video when she tried out a few different personalized services. And I'm just so curious to see what they send to me. So I'm just gonna be doing a little unboxing and try on, and let's see what's inside. Okay, so it has you fill out your style profile so they can pick which items they want to send to you. So after you fill out your height and your weight, it's just going to ask you about the different sizes between all these categories. And then it quickly asks about like your proportions, and then it moves on to the fit and cut portion of the questionnaire. So it's just going to ask you these questions and how you want your jeans and other different pieces to fit. And then it moves on to the style portion where you rate the different outfits that you see here and to determine what your style is. And then it's asking you about how often you dress for the following occasions and how much do you want your fixed selections to focus on the following occasions. And then asks if you're a jeans pants gal or a dress gal. And I am definitely a jeans and pants type of gal. And then it's asking you where you typically purchase your clothes. And so that's what I put. It's asking how adventurous you want your fixed selections to be, and I said, bring it on. Then it's asking, would you like to incorporate more of the following styles in your wardrobe? They ask you how often you want to receive the following pieces, and I put sometimes for all of them just to have a healthy mix of everything. And for accessories, I said never for bracelets and scarves. They ask you about the type of shoes you would like to wear, and it asks about the colors to avoid along with prints and fabrics that you do not like to wear. And then it moves on to the price portion where you fill out how much you want to spend for the different categories, and I said the cheaper the better. And I said 50 to 100 for shoes just because I feel like it's nice to invest in shoes. They last longer. And then finally, more about you. It asks you for your birthday, your job, if you're a parent, what your objectives are for signing up, and it asks you to put all your social networks, where I just put my Instagram, but it gives you a place to put like a mood board from Pinterest, your Twitter, and your LinkedIn, and then anything else that you need to tell your stylist. And that is the survey. Okay, so the box is pretty big. I'm curious to see what is in the box. Okay, I am like so nervous. Okay, so it gives you like the little bags to send anything back if you don't want anything. So it looks like this is like the style suggestions for the pieces that they gave me in the box. And if these are the pieces, they look pretty cute. So let's see if these are actually inside. So then it has a detailed list of everything that's in the box, the total of what everything cost for all the clothes. This is the first thing that I see when I open up the box. Oh my god, I'm so nervous to see what's inside. It's like wrapped all together. Okay, ooh, okay. So first we have, it looks like Madewell jeans, and these look like a dark blue color. This is what it looks like, and it looks like it's gonna be either like a straight or skinny fit. And I'm gonna insert the prices of these items. Yeah, curious to see what they think the cheaper the better is for prices. So okay, so anyways, next thing, it looks like a navy top and with a nice floral print. What is this? Is this a dress? Ooh, this is cute. What brand is this? Fortune Ivy is the brand. This is what the dress looks like. It looks like it's gonna flow at the end. I don't know if it's just my lights, but it looks like the bottom is kind of see-through. So that should be interesting. And it's a really cute strappy dress, and it looks like there's a cross detail on the back. So that is really cute. I actually like that. The pattern, I don't know if you can tell, but where it's pattern, it's kind of like, the pattern is kind of like textured. So there's little like white details that are like standing up. This is the next item. This also looks like it might be a dress. What is this? Oh, wait. Ooh, ooh, I think this is a jumpsuit. No, it's a dress. Okay. French Gray is the brand. Oh yeah, it is a jumpsuit. Oh my god, this is so cute. Guys, I love jumpsuits. Like, jumpsuits are like my favorite thing. They're just so cute and comfortable and so easy to just like throw on and go out the door. And this is, oh my god, this is so cute. Okay. You'll get a better idea of when I try it on. The legs look kind of wide. So this is the top portion. It looks like it's like a V-neck, and then the sleeves, it's a very short sleeve, and then the back has a little opening where the button is. I hope there's pockets in here. I love a jumpsuit with pockets as well. I don't know. Okay, well, okay, I'm excited to try that on now. So the next item is interesting. Okay, what is this? This looks like a top. Ooh, this is cute. This is the brand Mason and Bell, and this is the top, guys. It's a very cute summery top. I'm kind of nervous for this V-neck cut just because there's not like a little button or anything, so I'm curious to see how this will fit. And it's like cinched. We'll see if this is cropped or not, and then there's little sleeves. This is super cute. Okay, nice. I think that's all the clothing. Yeah, the next thing, I think these are shoes. These are definitely shoes. Okay. Ooh, okay. I think I just saw what these shoes are, and I'm kind of excited because ooh, these are cute. Dolce Vita? That's the brand. These are super cute. So they're these cute little like high heel sandals. Oh my god, my feet are in like the worst condition. Oh my god, I need a pedicure so bad. I'm gonna have to do like a far away shot for this because yikes. These are so freaking cute. Oh my god. Wow. All right. They feel like they're a good quality. The heel feels very intact. Cute. This is super cute. These are so nice. These are what they look like. Oh, there's like a little like welcome note. Okay, so basically it says that she selected a mix of brands and styles based on the profile that I filled out, and to leave a feedback so I can better understand your preferences. It shows like each piece and what they suggest you style the pieces with. So this is super cute. Okay, so I have the jeans on. I also threw on the sandals too that they gave me just to see how they fit and what they look like. Guys, I love these jeans. They're super snug. I don't mind the color. I do like a darker wash of a jean. So I do really like these. They're skinny, but they're not like super like tight around the ankles. They're kind of on the looser side, which I like as well. And these shoes are These shoes are nice. This is probably as close as I'm gonna bring you guys because my feet are really awful looking. But they're cute. I mean, I have pretty narrow feet. They're pretty loose at the top since these like loops are kind of on the looser side. I don't know, they kind of like flop around. I was walking around my apartment and I'm not sure about these. I'm not sure, so we'll see. I'm gonna pop on the top that they gave us and see how that looks with these jeans. This is the top that they sent me. So in the little card, they suggested to wear the jeans that they sent me and like a cute little like yellow bag with it. I like how they suggested to style it with like the pop of yellow in the bag. Okay guys, here is the jumpsuit and I'm so obsessed. Love this. I love this jumpsuit so much. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what the bottom of this jumpsuit looks like. It's super wide-legged and flowy and comfortable. This is so cute. Oh my god. This is a close-up of the top portion. Yeah guys, so I really like this jumpsuit. It's so comfortable and I really like this jumpsuit. It's so fun. Ooh, I just like don't want to take this off. Like this is so fun. Okay, so this is the dress on. I just threw on a jean jacket just because that's what my stylist told me to do. My stylist told me to throw on a jean jacket and a yellow purse to style this. That's exactly what I did. So this is what it looks like with the suggested styling. It's cute. I mean, I don't know. I'm like looking in the mirror over here. I don't know how I feel about this dress. I do like flowy dresses at the bottom, so I do appreciate that. It's nice. I don't know. Should we do it? I don't know if I'm gonna keep this dress or not, guys. I'll probably look at the price and see how much this dress is and then decide from there. Alright, so my final thoughts are I'm super impressed with what I got in my box. I definitely wasn't expecting to get those items, and I had a really good experience with my first box. I probably will do another box. I'm super impressed, and it is suggested that you go online and give like a thumbs up, thumbs down, or like your opinion on the items that you got, just so your stylist can adjust to your likings and go from there. So I definitely will do that. I probably will give a thumbs down on the navy dress and the shoes, and let's see what else they bring for me. I'm super excited. I'm so excited to see what else is going to be in my next box, so stay tuned for that video. And that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy try on clothing hauls or videos like this, because I personally love them. I love clothing and shopping. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.